Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the RingCentral application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in and search for RingCentral. Once you find the application, simply tap on it and tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the RingCentral application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button which can now be pressed. You can then simply tap on it and this will open up the RingCentral application on your smartphone. Now you can proceed with signing up or logging into your account to start using the application right from your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the RingCentral application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.